Traders and investors will need to be on the ball this week. Let's bring in Dan Deming at KKM Financial, who is watching all of the market action for us. Dan, what are your 3 themes to watch this week?
Well, Angie, as we get through a quarterly expiration, I think the market is certainly looking at some of the general trends as we close out the second quarter this week. And historically, the last week in June has been a challenge for the market, and then July has been one of the better months for the market on a yearly basis. But I'm looking at that idea and that mindset and sentiment in the market of a week that has been a challenge historically, and also looking at the general trends, the rotation that's taking place within the market, and the data coming out this week, highlighted by PCE at the end of the week.
NVIDIA continues to get so much attention as a leader of the stock market. What are your thoughts on the AI craze in the stock market with big tech as the quarter winds down and it's decision time for portfolio managers?
Yeah, I think that, they certainly got a little frothy. And last week, Andrew, we did see a peak on Thursday and then a reversal, and it did create a little bit of weakness and brought expectations back in line a little bit. But that's something I think that you got to keep a watch on this week as we close out the quarter. Are there going to be repositioning and selling of those names that outperform for the quarter, or is it going to be accumulation by the fact that they have outperformed and they might be sought after as far as holdings going into the third quarter? So that's what I'm looking at, that rotation. That's, I think, a high potential this week that we could see continued dispersion in the market, similar to what we have experienced over the month of June.
Thank you, Dan. We wish you a great week.
All right. Thanks for having me, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.